Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to connect your PayPal account to Gumroad and explain the current security requirements you need to meet. First, log into your Gumroad dashboard. Look at the left-hand menu and click on Settings. From there, select Payments. You will see a verification section. You must fill out your basic details to verify your identity. Gumroad uses Stripe for this process, so make sure your legal name, location, and address are completely accurate. Now, scrolling down, you might notice that the PayPal option is missing or locked. Gumroad has updated their security rules to prevent fraud, meaning you cannot link a PayPal account immediately upon creating a new store. To unlock the PayPal option, you must meet 3 strict requirements. Your account must be marked as compliant. You must have earned at least $100 in total sales. And most importantly, you must have already received at least one successful payout to a standard bank account. This means you have to start by connecting a regular bank account in the payout settings. Once you make your first $10 in sales, Gumroad will process that initial payout to your bank. After that first payout is complete, and your lifetime earnings cross the $100 mark, the option to connect PayPal will automatically appear at the bottom of your payment page. When it unlocks, simply click Connect with PayPal, log into your account, and authorize the connection. Your future payouts will then route directly to your PayPal balance. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.